Okay guys, niche research using Social Playlist Alpha. This is really super powerful stuff. What we don't have in the tool right now is a tool called Competition Analyzer, which we will add in here before we release. So I'm just going to jump over to another one of my softwares to be able to get access the Competition Analyzer, where I've already done a search. And what I've done in here is I've done a search just with a generic sort of seed keyword, and I've put in here Facebook ads. Okay, so what this tool does, and it will be in the Social Playlist Alpha, we will be adding it into Social Playlist Alpha. What this tool does is it will pull back the top ranking videos according to the number that you choose up here, and you can see that I chose the top 100 videos for the keyword Facebook ads. And I started to analyze, and it does take time because it's pulling back 21 different data points. Okay, but that's not the most important thing I want to show you here. What I want to show you here is if we sort this out by the number of views, okay, and we start to take notes about what kind of videos are really popular. You can see here there's Facebook ads beginner to expert. It's got 1.4 million, almost 1.5 million views, and the video's only been up for 1 year. The next video is similar from start to finish, how to create a Facebook ad in 2019, start to finish. 701,000 views already, okay? And as we scroll down, we can see we've got all these different ideas for videos according to what people want to watch, according to what people are watching. These are real traffic information data points that we can tap into. So you can see here beginner to expert, start to finish, how to reach 100,000 views with one advert, Facebook advertising explained, so that's for beginners again, how to make X amount of dollars per day, $5 a day ads, Facebook ad hacks, Facebook advanced strategies. I've gone through and I picked up just a few of these, and what we can do then is we can come into the YouTube playlist tool and we can start to look for videos that will fit into those different sort of topics or subtopics about Facebook advertising. So you can see here I've got $5 ads that I've done, and you can see I've pulled in 31 videos, or almost 50 videos in here, that I can put into a playlist very quickly and very easily. Now I'm not going to do that with all 50 videos because I'm going to go through and take the ones out that I don't want in there. So for example, there's some here for YouTube, there's some here for Facebook ads for Shopify. I don't want those kind of videos. Those are sub niches that I can use for different playlists later. Okay, what I can do though is I can come in here and do a search and ad, and I can put in here $5 Facebook ads, and I'll just expand this so you can see properly, and I'll come into the advanced search, and what I can do is make sure all the videos have been in the last 12 months and click on the search, and we've got that advanced filter that can help us to find only videos that have been uploaded in the past year. Okay, so as we come down, you can see we've got drop shipping, we've got Shopify. These are okay, but they're not what I want. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to checkbox these so that I can clear those particular videos later. Okay, once I want to get rid of them. Okay, I'll checkbox the ones that I want to add by clicking on the import, I should say. Okay, so as we come down, you can start to see all these different ads that we can tap into. Now if I just cleared this quickly and we're doing another filter in here, what we can do is we can do a Creative Commons filter in here, and this is going to be videos that I can download and re-upload. Okay, I've got complete license to do so because it's Creative Commons, and you can see again there's a whole bunch of really good videos here. I can just checkbox all, send to download it, and it will bulk download all of these one at a time for me to be able to upload. Okay, this gives me the ability that I can go and create multiple playlists with other people's videos with Creative Commons license, put them into a YouTube channel, monetize them, put them into playlists and categorize them according to what is really popular, according to what we found with the real traffic information that we got here. Okay, with the Competition Analyzer. Okay, you can see this is really powerful stuff, guys. Super powerful stuff, and all in one tool that we can take advantage of. Okay, so let's jump into YouTube quickly, and you can see that this is exactly what I'm doing here. Now remember, I've got that idea that I'm going to be building these different sub niches. Okay, so Facebook advertising, this one is for $5 a day ads. Now $5 a day ads, believe it or not, if I go and search for $5 a day ads, I can find ads for drop shipping, I can find $5 ad sets, $5 a day Facebook ads for list building, $5 a day Facebook ads for something else, $5 a day Facebook ads for local businesses, $5 a day for finding clients, and I can have a whole channel created just on the $5 a day theme, okay, with a huge amount of videos. And all of these videos in here that you can see, every single one of these has been downloaded from Social Playlist Alpha and re-uploaded because they have got Creative Commons, okay. And all I need to do is optimize them one by one, and then I can make them public, and I'm doing them one at a time. Better if you've got a VA to help you to do that. But you can see I've got 50 videos in my channel that I can start to categorize with playlists, and I can start to drive traffic and monetize legally without ever having had to create a video. The only thing I have to do is optimize them better than what they were optimized previously, but we have got the tools built into Social Playlist Alpha to help us to do that. Powerful, powerful stuff.